Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Now if you're watching this, well, it's either you use Snapchat and you're very curious as to how you can make money, you saw my TikTok and you need further explanation, or you're just subscribed to my channel and you just want to watch this video. But either way, this is going to be a very beneficial video for you, especially if you use Snapchat, because it has the potential to earn you tens of thousands of pounds or dollars, whichever country you live in. But either way, let's get straight to it. I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to know about how you can make money using Snapchat. This has to be one of the easiest ways you can possibly make money. I have to be honest with you guys. There's no hard work involved, there's no delayed gratification involved. There's no living below your means involved. There's no time. The amount of time is minimal in order to try and actually do what I'm going to tell you to do. You don't need a large amount of money to start up with. You don't need to stay up late at night. Basically, you get the point, guys. It's a very, very easy way you can make money. And let's get straight to it. No beating around the bush. Remember, guys, if you do enjoy the video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. But either way, let's get straight to it. So essentially what I'll be talking about today is a new feature on Snapchat called Spotlight. It's fairly new. It came out in about November last year, November 2020. And essentially it's very similar to TikTok. If you don't use TikTok or you've never used TikTok before, it's basically almost like a timeline where you scroll up and down and watch very short videos.
Let me show you.
And essentially the whole idea behind Spotlight is to post entertaining or educational videos to Snapchat. And if people do find these videos entertaining, they'll get more views and likes. And obviously, the more views you get, you guys know where I'm going with this, the more views you get, the more money you get. And now guys, listen up. I'm not just talking about pocket change. I'm not talking about $3 per video, or I'm not even talking $300 per video. I'm talking like tens of thousands of dollars per video. Currently, Snapchat is giving out $1 million per day to content creators. Now, this is definitely the best time to enter and actually start sending your videos to Spotlight, because some people fear that this may end soon. I don't believe it will end soon, but if there's any better time to enter, it's now, while the market isn't too saturated. But guys, this is why it's like, you think about that, $1 million per day, you could have like $50,000 and still be enough for way other people. As you guys can see on the Snapchat website, Snapchatters have the opportunity to earn if they submit top snaps. Payment is determined by a proprietary formula which take into account various engagement metrics and other factors during each day. So basically, the more engagement your video gets, so probably your watch time and your likes, the more views it will get, and the more views it will get, the more money you will get. As to how you can send your video to Spotlight, it's as simple as creating a snap, selecting Spotlight at the top of the send to screen and tapping the send to button. Now remember guys, you can send your own videos that you've created through Snapchat, but you can also upload videos that you have created outside of Snapchat as well. Now in terms of the guidelines, Snapchat is somewhat stricter than other platforms when it comes to what's allowed and what's not allowed on the app. I'm just going to go through some of those guidelines with you now. Firstly, snaps should be vertical with sound, still images, photos, horizontal snaps, blurry snaps, and text-only Snapchats won't show up in Spotlight. Avoid copyright infringement, of course. Only post your own original content. Use music from a licensed library. Don't infringe on the rights of others. Again, don't try to deceive people, especially when it comes to money, science, health, politics, or your identity. Don't attempt to sell or solicit products or services. Don't submit sponsored or paid for snaps. Now, that's another issue that a lot of people are contemplating, whether it's going to last long, because as we know, a lot of influencers like to post sponsored videos because that's another way they make money. So that's something that a lot of people are skeptical about. They're wondering if they will change that rule in the future or not. But as you can see, they're stricter than the average platform when it comes to what's allowed on the platform. But all in all, I think that's somewhat of a good thing, as it makes it safer for people to use. It makes it more friendly for families and younger children to also be on the app. Because you do need to remember that most of Snapchat users are probably very young people. We're talking probably 14, 15, 16. So remember, the app still needs to be filtered to be able to use by these little people. Also, another issue is that Snapchat is not available in every single country. There are a few countries only where it's available currently: Australia, Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, Ireland, New Zealand, Norway, Sweden, United Kingdom, and the United States. So unfortunately, if you are not in any of the countries I just mentioned, you will not be able to use Snapchat Spotlight as of now. Now, I myself haven't actually used Snapchat Spotlight yet. I haven't had the benefit of getting a video onto Snap. Well, I did, to be honest, I did post one of my TikToks onto Snapchat Spotlight, but it did not get allowed, it did not go through. I'm guessing maybe because, I really don't know actually why it didn't go through, because I do believe it did pass the guidelines, but I will try and post another one of my videos onto Spotlight, or I will try and start using Spotlight more often, because it's definitely a good opportunity. It's definitely something that has the potential to make you a lot of money, and also it's just another way for me to, you know, promote myself. I definitely think you guys should check it out as well. Who knows, this could be another source of income for a lot of you guys watching this right now. So definitely do check it out. I'm going to show you guys a video now that I watched recently showing someone who made a lot of money from just them posting a video onto Spotlight.
This is the story of how this video got me almost $23,000 from Snapchat. So Snapchat had launched a Spotlight feature, and I uploaded a couple of videos to see how it worked, and that one ended up getting about 500,000 views. Well, I get this message, and I'm like, that's cool, and that's probably like a couple of bucks. So I waited a couple of weeks, and then this message showed up from Team Snapchat, and I waited 3 weeks for the link to set up my account. After everything was set up, I had to wait a little bit longer, and then I got these emails. So I signed in and checked that the funds were added to the account. I transferred it all to my bank, and there it is now. I still honestly don't fully believe it, but I'm so grateful. I lost my job this year, and I feel like I can breathe a little bit more.
So as you can see, guys, there's a lot of money to be made, and this is just one of how many people that have been paid by Snapchat for posting a video to Spotlight that went viral. So yeah, guys, definitely do check it out. Thank you guys for watching as always. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back again.